I look sweaty, that's why. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. I actually tried filming this video yesterday. I have mastitis, or an infected milk duct, and I had a fever of 102. I have mastitis right now, and then my memory cards weren't working, and I was like, you know what, it's a sign, I'm just not gonna film this. And so now I'm filming it today, and I actually feel like I look better and I have no makeup on, and I feel a lot better, so that's that. Before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Bloom for sponsoring. This is like the perfect time for me to be drinking a full glass of this. I'm gonna chug it right now because I'm sick. And while I chug it, I'm gonna talk a little bit about Bloom. I don't normally chug it because I genuinely like the taste, but I wanted to make sure that I didn't forget about a drop this time. I'm currently taking antibiotics, and Bloom has probiotics and prebiotics, and I know how important that is to drink right now. Bloom is also now available at Target. Strawberry kiwi flavor. Get into the rest of the video. So I did a Fashionably video, which is what I'm doing today, and it's basically doing an online stylist, which is just so freaking cool, and I really just loved the idea of it, and having it be so easy. You don't have to do like a call or anything like that. It's all just like online little quiz, and you get outfits of, you know, whether you want for events or just like work from home casual stuff. That's what I ended up doing. And the first time I did it, I think it was my fault. If you guys didn't watch that video, you can watch it here. I got some feedback that I was being a bitch in it, so I literally have a fever now. I'm being a bitch, at least we know why. It just went a lot better this time. And the first time I wasn't even mad about anything that happened because I just set my price too high. I said I was okay with spending things around like the $200 budget, and that was my bad. I'm not okay with spending that much. So I actually did buy one of the outfits today. I got a lot more secondhand things because I just figured out in that video that you have to be a lot more clear with what you want, which would make sense. Like, these people don't know me, they didn't pay me to make this, obviously. I bought it with my own money. I think it's around 70-80 bucks for 5 outfits, so it's not cheap either, and I just didn't want you guys wasting your money if I didn't think it was worth it. But I'm okay with testing these things out for you guys. I'm able to make these kind of videos and, you know, not throw my money away, but use my money so you guys don't have to waste yours because of like sponsors and stuff like that. So thank you again to Bloom. I'm literally sweating. This fever is crazy, guys. We get to just go through the outfits on my phone. Like I said, I was able to know what to do this time. So I set my budget. I set around $50 I was comfortable spending per item. That's the cheapest you could go. You guys said you wanted the cheapest version. They saw my video, I think, and right away said that, like, hey, did you want more secondhand? We can do that. And that is something they incorporated in the style guide. I didn't realize last time that I don't like a lot of things, that I'm very picky, and I kept saying that maybe this isn't like for me. I think if I wasn't doing YouTube, I wouldn't purchase this, but I do think it's a really cool thing if you're going on vacation or have an event coming up to pay for a style guide. I think it's really, really cool. But I kind of already know what I like and don't like. So last video I got like a button up in my style guide, and I don't like button ups, but I didn't say that. So how the heck would they know I don't like button ups? So in this little Quizlet that you do, I said I don't like button ups. I said I don't like turtlenecks. I don't like mock necks. I don't like satin. I don't like, you know, I went through everything. I was so picky, and it made this one so much better. And the secondhand items, because that is something that I just appreciate. Let's get into the style guide. They're always super timely, super professional, the way they like spell everything out for you. Everything is hyperlinked. Like, they make it super easy, and you can tell that, like, even me saying that it's expensive, I don't think it's overpriced. And I want that to be clear also. Like, I know that these take so freaking long. I've made like kind of videos like this before where I put outfits together. They take me hours. It is fairly priced, but it is expensive, and that can be the same thing. Here's my style guide. They called it True Fall Work From Home Fits. Okay, this first outfit is work from home in the park, they said. We've got this little suede jacket, a nice just plain green t-shirt, jeans, this really cool vintage belt or vintage scarf that if it's not sold out, I'm gonna go on right now and buy it. These shoes that we see a few times, a really cool watch, gold jewelry, these sunglasses that I already have similar of, and this cool black shoulder bag. So I'm pretty sure in this outfit, it's the purse, the scarf, and the jacket are all secondhand, and I might have missed my opportunity to buy some of this stuff, and that's why I bought the one outfit that I bought immediately without you guys, because I wanted to make sure that I had it. Something else that I said in this video, or something else that I did and made sure I did with this one, was it asks you what items you already love, and I think it does that, or they do this because they want to work in stuff you already have. So they threw these blue jeans in, but I already said I have a really nice pair of wide leg jeans, or relaxed fit jeans that I love, light wash jeans that I love. I said I love my Sambas. I said I love, I have riding boots I love. I have fry boots I love. And they work those pieces in here, but like still link something similar, because it's like, oh, it's using what you have without like them having a picture of it, if that makes sense. So I don't think they're expecting me to buy these jeans. It's kind of like, you already have these jeans, but like this is how you picture it. So let's go to the items, because I feel like you guys like hearing the prices and I won't be so snotty about it this time. So the little t-shirt, would you have guessed it? It's Old Navy. Love it. 10 bucks. That's what I want in a t-shirt. Like I said, the jeans probably, like, I wasn't supposed to buy them. They're Levi's, $98. That's pretty standard for jeans. Sunglasses are $25 from Cotton On. The Real, which is the scarf. Let's see if it's sold out. It's sold. It was Missoni and it was $22.75. No, it was not. I think it got 65% off, because before it was $65. If I knew it was 22 bucks, I would have bought it. It looks so good. I was about to buy that scarf if it didn't sell out, but it already did. And they said too, like, you get extras and you could DM them, you could respond to that email and say like, hey, this piece already sold out by the time you sent it to me. But they make it so it like is last minute. Next outfit, so this is the outfit that I purchased. So stinking cute. The top is actually Ghani, and this looks like straight off my Pinterest board. And okay, when I say I purchased it, I purchased elements, and you're gonna see I bought these exact overalls because I really wanted a pair of overalls and I just couldn't pick a pair. And then I saw these, they were Free People, like $100. I just decided to bite the bullet and buy them and see why they recommended them. I've been wearing them all the time. You've probably already seen them on me. This top is actually Ghani, but it was on Poshmark, and I'm pretty sure it was around 50 bucks. I purchased it immediately. And then the accessories, I decided not to purchase every accessory because I had similar things already. I already have black loafers, I have little green socks, and I have like a similar burgundy clutch, so we can try that on now. Here's the outfit that they put together. I didn't get the exact sunglasses because I have a similar pair, just not green, but like the same style. And I am absolutely obsessed with, like, I know it's not the same bag, but it's giving the same vibe. I love the bag. I'm obsessed with this Ghani shirt. It was such a steal. It's like everything I've been wanting and more to pair under a little pair of overalls. The overalls are perfection. I got a size medium, so I sized up. I love the like length that they hit, and honestly everything about them. And I don't know, let me know what you think of the sock. Maybe I just don't have a good green. Maybe they need to be a little bit more like army green, and then I'd like them. But this outfit is a 10 out of 10, and I think it is just as cute, if not cuter, on than in the little like stitch together, and sometimes that doesn't happen. I'll definitely be wearing this. Next outfit, I really loved this one. The striped sweater is adorable, and so are those pants. I have pinstripe pants, and I'm pretty sure I wrote that, so like again, this was something where I think they were saying like buy the sweater, wear your pants that you already love. Same kind of accessories with this fun like beaded one, that black purse again, and these red Mary Janes. I really love this outfit. It's not something I would have paired together, the two striped, and I already have a striped sweater. Not this as cool as this one, but I'm gonna like try something with it. So this sweater is originally $395, but it is 70% off for $119. So it's not that bad for a really nice sweater. It's from the Outnet, which I've never heard of. Brand is Chinty and Parker. Never heard of that either. That's just the outfit. Third outfit. Really cute. The next outfit really just like felt like embodied me already in an outfit, which was really cool. Just a little white t-shirt, these nice brown pants, Sambas, which again I said I had, and they incorporated it, which I really liked. I am obsessed with this like bowling ball kind of bag, and then a really cool vintage secondhand leather jacket. The leather jacket, oh, it's gone because it sold out. But again, it wasn't sold out when I looked at it. I think it was around 60 bucks. I don't think it was more than 100. It was a good deal, and I like thought about buying it. Baby's up. Okay, is everything out of whack? I was talking about this outfit. Where are the pants from? Because I don't remember. They're so cute. These wide leg brown pants were definitely something that stood out to me. Oh, the pants were, oh, they're actually brown denim pants, which they didn't look like they sold. $80 Reformation jeans from Poshmark, so super good deal. And I just really liked this like burgundy color with the brown pants, so that's definitely something that I'm gonna think about, because actually, yeah, I do have brown pants. I recently got brown pants from Halara, of all places. I compare that with something. Red and brown, like burgundy and brown. I'm loving it. I'm just loving all these like deep muted colors, not neutrals. Not just neutrals. So like burgundy and brown and navy, but with black. Okay, and then this bag is from Mango and it's $70. It's just like a really good cute bag. I really like the style right now. That outfit. I'm not gonna go through every accessory because especially if you watch my videos, you probably already have like your go-to accessories and you're not gonna purchase new accessories for every outfit, but there they are. I think again, it's just for like filling up the little outfit board. Okay, and then this one, really cute. I love an off-the-shoulder sweater. This one is from, I have to go to a wedding tomorrow, you guys. I feel like SHIT. This sweater is from Another Stories, which I never really looked at, but I had a jacket from there I was obsessed with, and like I just kind of forgot that this brand exists, so I'm happy that Fashionably has made me refine this brand. Originally $129, it's on sale for $60. It also comes in red, but the cream is the one on sale, which I feel like never happens. So this sweater's super cute. I'm just not gonna purchase it because I already have an off-the-shoulder sweater. Really cute outfit, like the cream with the brown accessories that we already talked about. I never talked where those boots are from. They are from, oh, they're also Poshmark, $70. Is that the brand? No, they're Fry boots. They're super cute, these little Chelsea boots. I normally don't like a Chelsea boot, but these have like a Western flair, so they're very, very cute, and I love the color. So yeah, that was the last outfit. And then they gave me a bunch of additional pieces. What? They gave me a bunch of additional pieces like they did last time. I don't think anything really stuck out to me this time. Oh, this scarf was pretty cute from Free People. I feel like you guys would appreciate that. Similar to that Mazzoni one. I feel like that's why they linked it probably if that one went out of stock. I don't think I'm gonna purchase that Free People one. Yeah, I feel like that's about it. That covers it. So I was really happy with this time around using the Fashionably. It was, I don't know, I feel like it was a good thing that I did it again for you guys. So if you want to do it, you know, just be super specific with what you like and what you don't like, and also be super specific with the items you already have in your closet. Put in there if you want more secondhand pieces, make sure you're firm or you understand what the budgeting is like, and really work on that Pinterest board you send them. You send them a Pinterest board and they definitely take a lot of inspo, most of the inspo I think from that. That's it for this video. I was super happy with the outfit that I did buy. The fact that I really felt inclined to buy an outfit says a lot, because it takes a lot for me to purchase something online. Thrift store, I don't take a lot of convincing, but online I do. So yeah, I had a lot of fun. Make sure you guys check out Fashionably. I'll leave them linked in the description box. And also, of course, couldn't do any of it without our sponsor today, Bloom. So thank you again to Bloom for sponsoring this video. You can use the link in the description box. And yeah, that's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Antibiotics should kick in within 24 hours, and then I can start filming and living my life again for the internet. Just kidding. I love you the absolute most. Bye.